Good morning, dear students. Today we shall go through the review exercise. Question number 1, subtract and check your answers. So I have done it earlier, maybe in the last week I have done the solution for this. Let us check again how to do this. What you have to do, you have to subtract this number from this and check if the subtraction is correct or not. So what I shall do, I shall subtract the number 67,845 from 89,732. So 2 is less than 5. You have to borrow 1. It is 12. After borrowing, it will be 2. 12 minus 5 is 7. Here it is 2 minus 4. Again 4 is greater than 2. You have to take 1 from 7. It will be 6. Now it is 12. After borrowing 1 from the neighboring digit, so 12 minus 4 is 8. Now 6 minus 8, 6 minus 8, 8 is again greater than 6. You have to borrow 1 more time. So if I borrow, it becomes 8, it becomes 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 minus 6 is 2. So you got the answer 21,887. Now we have to check if this number, what we have got, if this result is correct or not, if our sum is correct or not. For that, what we have to do, if I add the two numbers, this result and the subtrahend, then we should get the minuend. So let us check if we add this and this, if we add this number and this number, we should get this or not. So in my right hand side, I shall write 21,887 plus 67,845. 5 plus 7 is 12. 1 is carried. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Again 1 is carried. 8 plus 8 is 16. Plus 1 17. 7. Again 1 carry. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 1 9. 2 plus 6 is 8. So our answer is 89732. 89732. So this and this number same. Therefore, the answer we have got 21,887 is correct. This way you have to check your answer. Now I shall solve question number 3 from a review exercise. Nitin added 2,461 to a number and then added 1,693 to the sum. He got the answer as 50,000. Find the number he started with. So what happened? Nitin got a number. He added 2,461 and then he added to it 1,693. So the sum of the three numbers is 50,000. What we have to find? We have to find this number. What is the number with which this is added, this number is added, then this number is added, and we get 50,000. So how to solve this? First step, in our first step, what we shall do? We shall add these two numbers, 2461, 1693. If we add and then subtract from this number, we get this number. Let me add these two numbers first. 3 plus 1 plus 3 is 4. 6 plus 9 is 15. 1 is carry. 4 plus 6 is 10. Plus 1, 11. Plus 1. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. So we get this value to be 4154. If we subtract this from this, if we subtract this, we get this number. So from 50,000, I am subtracting 4154. So if I subtract this number, we do not have anything. We are having only 0. Here it is 4. So I have to borrow 1 from this number, this digit. But here also you can see that here it is 0. We cannot borrow anything. We move to the next digit. Here also 0. So we have to move to the next digit. Then we have to move to the next digit because here also it is 0. If I take 1, from 5, what will happen? This will become this number will become 10. This 5 will become 4. From 10, I am again taking 1. So this becomes 10. This becomes 9. From 10, again I am taking 1. This becomes 10. This becomes 9. From this 10, I am borrowing 1. This becomes 10. This becomes 9. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 4 is 5. And this is 4. 4 will come down as it is. So the number, this number is nothing but what? 45,846. Therefore, the number is 45,846. So you have to add these two number, you get the result. The result you have to subtract from the final summation. Now we shall do some mental maths from page number 48. From page number 48, question 1, 90,000 minus 1 equals to how much? So you can do that. 90,000 minus 1, you do the subtraction and you find the answer. Number B is 1 lakh minus 100 thousands, how much? How much is this? 1 lakh. 1 lakh means 1 after 1 we are having 5 zeros. 100, then 1000 we are having 3 zeros. This is for 1000, this is for 100,000. So this is 1 lakh. This is also 1 lakh. 1 lakh minus 1 lakh equal to 0. So you tick the option where the answer is 0. Number C, how much is 1 lakh more than 60,606? To find the answer, what you have to do? you have to subtract 60,606. I shall write from the back side. You have to subtract this number from 1 lakh. You do the sum and tell me in the evening what answer did you get. Question number 2. Question number 2, the difference between the smallest 5-digit number. Question number 2. Difference between smallest 5-digit number. What is smallest 5-digit number? That is 10,000. And the largest 4-digit number. Largest 4-digit number is how much? All the digits are 9. The difference means you have to subtract this 5-digit number, the 4-digit number from this 5-digit number. What is the answer? If you subtract, you get it to be 1. So this is answer for question number 2. Question number 3 and question number 4. Question number 3, fill in the blanks. You do it as homework. So this is for all today's class. Have a great day ahead.